Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge technology and innovation. Today, we're about to embark on an extraordinary journey into the realm of humanoid robots, with a special focus on Serena, the game-changing creation that's revolutionizing the field. We'll delve into the history of humanoid robots, explore the remarkable capabilities of Serena, dissect the technology behind it, ponder the limitless potential and challenges of these mechanical marvels, and even peek into the ethical considerations they raise. A brief history of humanoid robots. Before we delve into the futuristic world of Serena, let's take a moment to trace the origins of humanoid robots. The fascination with creating machines in our own image is as old as human civilization itself. From ancient myths and tales of automatons to the iconic Vitruvian Man by Leonardo da Vinci, the concept of humanoid machines has always captivated our imagination. In ancient Greece, Hephaestus was believed to have created mechanical servants. In the 18th century, Jacques de Vaucanson's mechanical duck wowed audiences with its lifelike movements. These early endeavors set the stage for what was to come. As we reflect on this historical perspective, it's worth remembering the words of Arthur C. Clarke: any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. Indeed, the development of humanoid robots often seems like the realization of magical dreams. Serena, a robotic marvel. Now, let's shine the spotlight on Serena, a humanoid robot developed by the Iranian Robotics Institute. This remarkable creation stands as a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. Serena's astonishing capabilities extend far beyond its human-like appearance. Serena's ability to walk, balance, and even dance with grace is nothing short of mesmerizing. To achieve these feats, Serena is equipped with a sophisticated array of sensors and cameras, providing it with a comprehensive perception of its surroundings. It's akin to having a sixth sense, but even more advanced. The tech behind Serena. What powers this robotic marvel? Let's dive deeper into the technological core of Serena. Underneath its humanoid exterior lies an intricate system of artificial muscles and joints, meticulously designed to mimic the human musculoskeletal system. It's as if Geppetto's dream of turning wooden puppets into sentient beings has become a reality. This integration of biomechanics into robotics is nothing short of groundbreaking. The creators of Serena have followed this logic to craft a machine that moves with uncanny human-like fluidity. But why create such a lifelike robot? The applications of Serena are as diverse as the colors of the rainbow. Picture it as a dance partner, personal assistant, or even a compassionate healthcare companion, offering support to those in need. These machines are not just tools but potential partners in various facets of our lives. Challenges and the road ahead. Creating a humanoid robot like Serena is no small feat. It's akin to scaling Mount Everest in the world of robotics. Engineers and researchers face countless challenges, from perfecting the robot's balance to ensuring its safety when interacting with humans. Each failure in robotics research serves as a stepping stone towards eventual success. One of the key challenges lies in developing advanced artificial intelligence systems that can enable these robots to understand and adapt to the complexities of the human world. This is where the convergence of AI and robotics holds immense promise. The future of humanoid robots. What does the future hold for humanoid robots like Serena? It's a future brimming with limitless possibilities. Picture a world where robots work harmoniously alongside humans, enhancing our capabilities and improving our lives. From healthcare and manufacturing to education and entertainment, the integration of humanoid robots promises to revolutionize various industries. As Isaac Asimov envisioned, the age of the robot is upon us, and I am confident that it will be a golden age. With ongoing advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics, we stand on the brink of an era that may indeed be golden. Are we ready to welcome these robots into our lives? How do we ensure they're used for the benefit of humanity while avoiding misuse? The Human-Robot Partnership. In a world where robots and humans coexist, the notion of a partnership between the two becomes increasingly important. Serena and its peers can serve as invaluable allies in various fields, but they must do so under human guidance and ethics. One vision for this partnership is beautifully encapsulated in the words of Alan Turing. We can only see a short distance ahead, but we can see plenty there that needs to be done. While we may not have all the answers today, the journey of exploring this human-robot partnership is a promising one. Challenges and opportunities in AI. The development of humanoid robots like Serena is closely intertwined with the rapid progress of artificial intelligence, AI. AI algorithms power these robots' ability to perceive their environment, make decisions, and interact with humans. However, AI itself presents a complex landscape filled with challenges and opportunities. The rise of machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning has catapulted AI into the mainstream. Yet, we must remain vigilant about the ethical and societal implications of AI, as echoed by Stephen Hawking. The development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. One of the most promising arenas for humanoid robots is healthcare. Imagine a future where robots like Serena assist healthcare professionals in surgeries, rehabilitation, and patient care. Moreover, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the need for robots in healthcare settings. Robots can help minimize human contact, deliver essential supplies, and disinfect high-risk areas. As we strive to prepare for future health crises, humanoid robots could become essential assets in our healthcare arsenal. Education is another domain where robots are making strides. Robots like Serena can serve as interactive tutors, engaging students in ways that traditional methods cannot. They can adapt to individual learning styles, provide real-time feedback, and offer a more immersive learning experience. Humanoid robots have the potential to revolutionize education, making it more accessible and personalized for learners of all ages. Robotics in entertainment and creativity. From movies and theme parks to stage shows and video games, humanoid robots are making their mark in the entertainment industry. Robots like Disney's animatronics and advanced humanoid performers can deliver breathtaking performances and create immersive experiences. Beyond humanoid robots, another significant trend in robotics is the rise of collaborative robots, or cobots. These are robots designed to work alongside humans in various industries, ensuring safety and efficiency. They can handle tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding, allowing human workers to focus on more creative and complex aspects of their jobs. As the field of robotics continues to advance, the role of government and regulation becomes increasingly important. The widespread adoption of humanoid robots and AI technologies raises questions about their impact on employment. Will robots take our jobs or create new ones? This debate is not new. Throughout history, technological advancements have transformed industries and the labor market. As we embrace the potential of humanoid robots and AI, we must also address the ethical dilemmas they present. Ensuring that robots act ethically and responsibly in complex, human-centric environments is a pressing challenge. Researchers are exploring how insights from the study of the human brain can inform the design of more advanced and adaptable robots. This synergy has the potential to lead to major breakthroughs in understanding and replicating human cognition and motor skills. Robotics offers us a unique opportunity to explore and map some of these uncharted territories. Throughout our exploration of humanoid robots and AI, one theme remains constant: the need for innovation. Humanoid robots like Serena are a testament to the power of innovation, determination, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. In conclusion, Serena and the world of humanoid robots offer a glimpse into a future where machines and humans coexist in harmony. We hope you've enjoyed this in-depth exploration of Serena and the captivating world of humanoid robots. It's a journey of awe, curiosity, and boundless potential. If you're as excited as we are about the future of robotics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on the latest technological wonders. Together, We're creating a future where the lines between science fiction and reality blur, and the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself.